Downloading your account data from PayPal is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your transactions and account activity. Follow these steps to download your data easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Activity section. Once logged in, locate the Activity tab in the top menu. Click on it to view your transaction history and account activities. Step 3. Select the date range. In the Activity section, look for an option to filter your transactions. Choose the date range for which you want to download the data. You can select predefined ranges or set a custom range. Step 4. Choose the download format. After selecting the date range, find the download option, usually located near the top right of the activity list. Click on it and choose your preferred file format, CSV, PDF, etc. for the download. Step 5. Download and save the file. Once you have selected the format, click on the download button. The file will be generated and saved to your device. Make sure to store it in a secure location for future reference. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from PayPal. Regularly downloading your data can help you manage your finances more effectively.